Hello there, my name is Donald Cunningham, and in this video I'm going to show you three things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. Now you're probably asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in this for me? Well, it's simple. Oftentimes, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is the expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Don. Please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you like what you've heard, then shoot me a message. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you the three things that will set you apart from your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. Now all business owners know that they need content on their homepage, but what they probably don't know is that the average length, average number of words on the number one result of a Google search has 1,500 to 2,400 words of content on their homepage. So you need to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage with the right keywords. So right now you have 379 words on your home page. Okay, now this is your competitor. They have 817 words on their home page. Now they're beatable, but they just put a little more effort into their content. Okay, I have a tool here called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, but essentially it gives me behind the scenes details that Google is looking at when it comes to ranking a site. So I ran a quick scan on your competitor here, and I go here and it shows that they have 98 keywords. So when I click on keywords, it shows me the keywords that they're being found for. So that the top three here would be best plumbing services, plumbing Riverside, and plumbers Riverside, California. And you have a search of For the first one, you have a search volume of 300 in a month, and the second one, 400 in a month, and the third one, 250 in a month. Okay, the second thing I wanted to go over with you today and that is citation. You see the map pack here, also known as the Google Maps, and you'll see the business name, address, and phone number, name, address, and phone number. So this is also known as a NAP, or name, address, and phone number. And this is how Google verifies and gives relevance to your local business. Okay, so now you want to know, well, how do I show up in the map? Okay, so now what you see here, these are directories all across the internet that you want to see your NAP in. So let me explain the number one thing you could do today to push your business up the map path is to have your NAP listed in more directories. Right now, you're not ranking in the top three, and So a citation is your NAP on places like Yellow Pages, BBB, Facebook, Yelp, and a couple other hundred other directories. And when you get more than your competitor, you can gain more trust than them from Google, pushing you above them in the map path. So how do you do that? Well, it's quite simple. We use sites like WhiteSpark or BrightLocal that will tell us exactly what directory your competition is listed on. Then we can literally go down their list and match what directory they are on. But we don't want to stop there. We don't want to just match them. We want to dominate them online. So if your competitor has 50 citations, we want to get what they got and add 50 to 100 more. So it takes them a longer time to catch up. Now let's go over the third thing I wanted to go over with you today, and that is link juice or backlinks. So when we do a search of plumbers right here in Riverside, your name does not come up on top or is it in the top? But that's where you want to be. And to get there, you need authority. And that comes down to backlinks. And a backlink is when one website links to another website online. And the more relevant the site is, the more valuable the link is. Okay, coming back to Ahrefs again, we see that you have 75 backlinks. Not bad, but not dominant. Okay, let's look at your competitor again in Ahrefs. Now we see they have 106 backlinks linking back to their site. So when we click on backlinks and we scroll down here, we can see the exact sites that are linking back to them. And we can get these same links for your business and then add more. So getting to the top is not magic. It's just a method. And I've shown you this method today. So once again, we went over content. Your page needs at least 1,500 words. Citations, you want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat out your competition by a landslide. And then link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing to you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. Okay, so what now? Well, you can either go with the information I provided for you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want a more effective route and want more to save yourself some time, please give me a call. And my number is 714-473-0269. And once again, my name is Don, and my number is 714-473-0269. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.